In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix password auto-pressing error in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So firstly, you need to navigate to the bottom right side of the screen. So I'm just showing you an image because whenever or when I will put my screen into the logged in screen or window, I won't be able to record it. So I believe the showing of image is the best key so that I can show you the steps on how to fix your problem. So again, you need to navigate to the bottom right side of the screen. You can see an icon like this. So a language icon, this kind of icon, and the power menu icon, and this accessibility icon. So click on it, the accessibility icon, click on it, and the moment you click on it, this kind of option will show up. So all you need to do is you need to select for on-screen keyboard. Select for on-screen keyboard and use the on-screen keyboard whenever you enter your password. Because the reason why the password is auto-pressing is that you might have a problem with your physical keyboard or the built-in keyboard that you are having along with the laptop. Okay, so I suggest or I would recommend that the best solution for it is to use the on-screen keyboard, and in that way you would be able to enter the password without any error. Okay, so click on it. So if happen that you don't see the accessibility because there are some laptop that don't have accessibility icon on the logged in screen. So they have ease of access center instead. So an ease of access center icon would look like this. Click on it and choose for on-screen keyboard. So use the on-screen keyboard as what I have said earlier when you enter the password. In that way, you would be able to log in your PC or laptop. Once you're good, you can now continue using your PC or laptop. Okay, so without any further ado, thank you for watching. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more video tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day everyone.